Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY, you're going to need two of these wooden dowels. They are the 7/8 inch and 36 inch long dowels. You can find them in the crafting section of Walmart. Then you will also need two packages of these small wooden dowels. I believe they are 12 inches long, and there comes 3 in a pack, but you're going to need 4 of them. So that's why you're going to need 2 packages. Then you are going to need some paint, well, if you choose to paint it, and they're 50 cents each at Walmart. You're going to need photo frames. You can get them at Dollar Tree. I just had these already, so I decided to use them for this project. And then you're also going to need 2 of these plant hangers at Dollar Tree as well. And lastly, you are going to need some jute twine that you can also find at Dollar Tree. Okay, so first you are going to get your paint prepared and begin painting your wooden dowels. Later on, I did add some darker colors just because I wanted it to look a little more distressed. I had thought at first that I wanted it to be all like in ivory cream white, but I ended up not liking it, so I did distress it later on with some other colors. I just used like some browns, grays. Now when you're painting the large wooden dowels, make sure that you paint the bottom of them as well, because they do have colors on the bottom of them so that the store can differentiate the prices of the different sizes of wooden dowels. Now go ahead and let the larger wooden dowels dry and begin painting your small 12-inch wooden dowels. That's what I'm doing here in this part of the video. Now go ahead and let all of them dry. While you are waiting, go ahead and begin removing those black chains from those plant holders. Now taking the chain off from the actual plant holder is the easy part. But when you get to the top of the plant holder, you will need a tool, a wrench or something to pry the hook open. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. After you've gotten your pliers, go ahead and pry open that hook so that you can get your 3 chains off of it. Now make sure you do this on both baskets because you're going to need either 6 chains or 4 depending on how many photos you're going to be hanging up. I chose to only hang up 2, so I only needed 4 chains, but if you want to do 3, you'll need 6. In order to start building your ladder, you are going to take a 12-inch wooden dowel and place it up on top of the 2 36-inch wooden dowels. Now, I decided to try and put hot glue underneath the wooden dowel to attach it to the 2 large ones, but honestly it didn't really hold it together. It wasn't very sturdy. I suggest putting maybe some wood glue and then going on with the process, but I just wanted to get the video done and put up online, so I decided to do this quickly. Now you're going to next take your jute twine and you are going to start wrapping the 2 dowels in an X motion. Now here is an above view so that you can better understand what I mean by the X motion. Now when you come to the end of the jute twine, just go ahead and hot glue it, and that should do the job. Now when I started to attach the chains to the photo frames, I didn't want to do anything that would make it permanent because I'd like to be able to reuse my photo frames if I wanted to in the future. So I just decided to use pins, and I just pinned the chains right into the photo frame, attaching the chains to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.